I'm using for my radio and also my ground station for FPV. I'm using a Turnic 9XER. It's my patch antenna. And the back I use the Fly Sky telemetry module. And they have the out antenna. And this is the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi booster I bought from eBay for around 40 bucks. And so the antenna from the module go up to the booster. You can see there's a filter right here. It used to reduce the noise. What kind of module is that? Let's see. Mean converter. Our filter. Okay, just Google it. Give me pretty good signals, and then never have a lot of signal problems. Because the system and the module and the receiver I'm using have telemetry, so this little monitor can show me the radio signals between the receiver and transmitter. And this booster required 12 volt power input, so I use the power from the transmitter battery to power it on also. But one problem is often I forgot to unplug this power cable after I finish flight, and I leave it on connect for all day, and then it kill my transmitter battery, and it happened many times already. And today I cannot turn it on because the battery just died. I forgot to unplug it. Next time I'm going to install a LED light strip over here to remind me to unplug the booster power. Again, it is power here, go to my transmitter battery, but I forgot to unplug it, and this booster will kill the battery. Now I'll go to my ground station. This is my ground station. It's a aluminum case from Harbor Freight, $25. This is a 15-inch LCD screen. It's a regular traditional computer monitor from the thrift store for only $12.97. And for this particular model, it only required 12 volt to power it on, so you know the 3 cells work perfectly. And if you remember, this is the battery we bought from the RC Group guy. It's not good for fly any airplane, but it's just good enough to power on my monitor. Here's make the adapter. This to power on my monitor. And as you know, monitors, they are use VGA signals, and it is different to the AVI signal that we have from the radio gear that we are using. So here require a converter. The video converter is AVI video to VGA. This VGA cable go to the monitor. This yellow cable go to your camera or your 5.8 GHz video receiver. And this thing requires 5 volt power. So how to get 5 volt? I use a burns out ESC. This ESC was burns out already, but the BEC is still working. So I just use it connect to a 3-cell battery. Let me do it now. Once I connect it with the 3-cell LiPo, and then this burns out ESC, the BEC is still working, and it comes out if you supply 5 volt power. So use this to power on the converter. See, it's on now. If I unplug the power, monitor off, and plug it back in. So now I'm using the keychain for example. This is the keychain. This is the keychain camera, and connect to here is video input and video convert and output to the monitor. So let me turn it on. All right. So regularly I will have my 5.8 gigahertz video receiver, and this cable will connect to here, so I can get the video live feed from my quadcopter, which is crushed on the last flight. The propeller snap. Okay, need to fix it. So to show you how it works. See. About this video converter, it has different function. This is called zoom. Oh, this push the last video. We switch back to AVI. The zoom. Excuse me. This is zoom. Now it's zoom. Go back. And also have a different menu. I can adjust the brightness. If outside in the daylight, I can set the brightness to maybe 100%. Then can make it really good, bright enough. Let me show you. Too bright right now, but if we are outdoor, it should be just fine. So indoor, let's go back to 50. Brightness, contrast, you can see. Even language. Okay, and also I can adjust those brightness, contrast on my own computer or monitor also. Okay, just brightness here also. The monitor itself, the contrast and brightness to control, etc. Menu. Alright, that's it. This one. This is the eBay purchased video recorder. It has a SD card. Go to brighter area. So it has a the TF is actually the SD card. Use it record live video, and then the switch and function at the back. It powered by 12 volts, so also LiPo works 3 cells LiPo. And video out, video in. Just use it conjunct between the camera and the converter. We were supposed to record the video. However, just now I tried it, I connected, and the video signal from the monitor dropped down dramatically. So seems if I split the video signal into two, it will weaken the signal. I need to go online, do some research how to amplify the video signal. Alright, before works out with this video recorder. Other than that, everything just fine with my ground station. That's how I fly FPV. The whole case, how heavy is it? I do not know, but it's heavy anyway. Alright, bye bye.